Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have an exciting dessert recipe for you and we are going to making my cream cheese and blueberry buns. These soft and fluffy baked pastries are made with a yeast dough that's filled with a cream cheese filling and loads of blueberries on the inside. These little pastries make for a fantastic treat in the morning with a cup of coffee. We'll start the recipe off by making a soft yeast dough. It's super simple and straightforward. Once it's proofed, we're going to make a cream cheese filling, add loads of blueberries on top of that, shape the buns, let them proof, bake, and enjoy. You are going to love this delightful pastry from the very first bite. For the full list of ingredients and the printable instructions, head on down into that video description box and over to my website. I also have all my recipes with metric measurements up on the website. And now let me show you how to make these delicious pastries. We're going to get things started with the dough today, and we'll need 1.5 cups of whole milk, and you want to heat it either in the microwave or on the stovetop until it reaches about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll pour it into a large mixing bowl. Add in 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. Just going to sprinkle that in. And we'll need 1 tablespoon of dry active yeast. Sprinkle this yeast over the milk and just let this sit for about 5 minutes. Next, add in 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 large egg at room temperature, and pour in 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. We'll need about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then whisk this all together. Next, we could start adding in our flour. We'll need about 4 3/4 cups to 5 cups of flour. I like to have a little extra for dusting when I'm kneading the dough. And you want to whisk it in at first. Mix until you have no clumps remaining. You want a nice smooth batter. Once the batter thickens, you want to switch over to a spatula. Once the dough comes together into a ball, you want to turn it out onto your work surface. And then sprinkle on more flour as needed. You want a very soft and elastic dough. It should be very soft but not sticky. Knead the dough for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Once you have the dough kneaded and shaped, place it back into the mixing bowl and cover it with a clean kitchen towel. And if you're using conventional yeast, you want to set this into a warm corner of your kitchen and let it proof for about an hour, hour and a half until it's doubled up in size. Today I'm using fast-acting yeast, so I'm just going to let the dough rest for about 20 minutes while I'm making the fillings. Let's start with our blueberry filling. We'll need 6 cups of fresh berries. Make sure to wash them first. Then we'll toss them with half a cup of white granulated sugar. And we need 1/3 cup of cornstarch. And this is going to help thicken all those berry juices as the pastries bake. And then just toss this all together. You want to make sure the berries are very well coated. To ensure that cornstarch sticks to the blueberries, add just a splash of water, like a tablespoon or 2. Next, for our cream cheese filling, we'll need 2 8-ounce packages, so 16 ounces total of softened cream cheese. You want to place it into a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'll use my hand mixer to cream the cheese and the sugar together until I have a creamy mixture. And to make it super easy to fill our pastries with this cream cheese mixture, I recommend using a pastry bag. Transfer the cream cheese into the bag, and then you can pipe this mixture onto each pastry as you're shaping them. Once your dough has proofed or rested and you have the fillings ready to go, go ahead and line 2 large baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone mats like I'm using today, and you want to have your oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle your work surface lightly with the remaining flour, and then we're going to divide this dough evenly into 16 pieces. You can use a bench scraper or a sharp knife to do this step. And then to shape the buns, you just want to use your hands and press the dough into a little circle about 5 to 6 inches in diameter. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of this cream cheese filling into the center. And then top with a generous amount of the blueberries. And then to shape the buns, you want to bring the dough up and around the berries. Pinch it really well. Pinch the seams. Shape it gently so it's nice and round, and then we'll place it onto our baking sheet. Once you have your bun shape, you want to add an egg wash on top, and for this I just beat an egg with just a couple teaspoons of water. Use a pastry brush and apply a generous amount of this egg wash on the outside of each bun. I'm going to let these blueberry and cream cheese buns proof next to the oven, which I have preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to let them proof for about 45 minutes until the dough gets nice and fluffy, and then these go into the oven to bake at 350 for about 24 to 26 minutes until they're golden brown on the inside, and then we'll come back to enjoy these delicious pastries. Once these buns come out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 20 minutes, and then use a spatula. If you have any filling on the sides, just kind of brush it off, and then we'll set this onto our cooling rack to finish cooling. And once these buns have cooled down sufficiently, let's break one open so you can see what they look like on the inside. Check that out. You have the incredible blueberry filling with the cream cheese. This is so incredibly delicious. I just took out my second pan of blueberry buns. I'm going to let them cool on the baking sheet for a little bit first, and then let them cool down completely. I recommend waiting at least 30 minutes before enjoying these, because the blueberries and the cream cheese on the inside are going to get super, super hot. And you know who's already burned their tongue? I have, because I was impatient and I really, really wanted to enjoy one of these. For the full list of ingredients and the printable instructions, don't forget head on down into my video description box and over to my website. I'm going to have all the details up on my website, including this recipe with metric measurements. And now let's dig in and enjoy. Love these buns. You have a little bit of that cream cheese filling on the inside, loads of blueberries, and this dough is so incredibly light and fluffy. You are going to love these from the very first bite.